Sometimes it could be a little bit tricky creating your conditional formatting rules and the different ranges that you can use, and order matters. So for example, if we select these numbers here, these are populations of different towns, and we go to conditional formatting, and I'm just going to choose new rule here. And we'll choose format only cells that contain. And the first one is population less than 19,000. So I'm going to choose less than, and I'll type in 19,000. Format, and we're going to format them with background colors. Just match the colors that I have here, and they're all on this bottom row right here. We'll say OK. And here it's highlighted our populations less than 19,000. This is still selected. Conditional formatting, manage rules. Now we're going to add a new rule. Format only cells. And our next rule, we want to see values that are between 19,000 and under 30,000. So if I want to just use between 19 and 30, I can do that. I'm going to match it to this blue. We'll say OK. We'll say OK. And I'm going to hit apply, and let's see what happened. And I only put 3,000, so it didn't work. I'm going to double select it and choose edit rule and add one more 0 here and apply. That looks better. And it actually chose the 30,000, right? Because I did not tell it to do less than 30,000. But once I add my last rule, new rule, format only cells that are greater than or equal to 30,000, format, and choose apply. Now you can see that the 30,000 got updated. So one thing that I want you to notice in this exercise here is that the order in which these rules are matters. Rules, and they're being used as applied in order shown. So they're being applied in the order. If we came here and we switched these two, so I bumped this one up and said apply, because I used that between, that 30,000 would go back to blue. So what's another way you can fix that? You could also just change the value to 29999, right? You have some choices. So a couple choices, and one thing again to keep in the back of your mind or in the front of your mind when we're practicing conditional formatting, especially when you're using more than one rule, that they are applied in the order shown.